Hello everyone, so today I'm going to change the air filter and cabin filter in the Corolla 2013 model. So without any further delay, let's start because it's quite noisy because road is right here. So we're gonna clean with this multi-purpose foam cleaners and then we're gonna install the air filter. We got the engine bay right now. It's not dirty. So we're gonna do this. Hopefully it works. Look at this. Yeah, we can clean. We'll use it. Battery is also dirty. You need to open this pin. This side. Lift this up, and we're gonna remove the OEM filter. You can see it's quite dirty. We're gonna put the new one. So we are using this fill top brand. New filter right here. We have to put like this. That's it. And that's it. We're gonna change now the cabin filter. We're gonna leave this open because we need more cleaning here. So let's come from the driver's side. So yeah, it's here. So we need to open this glove compartment. Yeah, you have some paper back there. Okay, so put the camera here. The cabin filter is right here inside, so you have to just pull this and pull the cabin filter out. Oh my goodness, it was not even fit properly. They did the terrible job. Oh, look what you was breathing. That's nasty. It's absolutely ridiculous. So we're gonna put this one, new one. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, so put this in. Let me see if there is something. Okay, it's gonna go this way. And that's it. There's a little bit difference in the filter because from the inside, the bottom inside is a little bit tighter than the front. So let me open it again and see if it's not damaged. Yep, it's a little bit tighter inside. Oh, I think this should be good. Let's see. What did that says? Let's read these marks. So airflow up to down. Yeah, maybe we have to put like this. Follow the arrow end. It feels like a little bit bigger, but it should be fine because this one has a little bit depth in it. Okay, here we go, and that's it. The filter is changed, and that's it. That's all you need, guys. That's the easy way to change your filter, and make sure to change your filter with every oil change if you want to breathe the clean air because that's very dirty and it's not good for your health. So I'll probably see you guys in the next video. We're gonna probably make on this car with Toyota 2013, we're gonna change the brake pads, and I will make video for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.